The Grand Mahakumbh Mela in the Indian city of Prayagraj has emerged as a global spiritual beacon, attracting thousands of foreign nationals, diplomats and saints. From Bhutan's king taking a sacred dip in the holy Ganga to foreign diplomats immersing themselves in its divine waters, all are embracing India's rich ancient traditions. The Mela's mysticism continues to captivate and inspire global devotees as international saints and pilgrims gather to experience a profound spiritual awakening. Take a look. On the screen, a vibrant group of foreign devotees can be seen joyously chanting Om Namah Shivaya at the Mahakumbh Mela 2025, a moment that beautifully captures the essence of cultural exchange and spiritual unity. The Mahakumbh Mela in India's Prayagraj city is drawing people from every corner of the world, breaking all barriers. From humble seekers to prominent dignitaries, all are converging on this sacred land in search of spiritual peace and a deeper connection with the divine. Among the distinguished attendees was Bhutan's king Jigme Khesar Namgyel Wangchuk, who recently took part in the grand event. The Bhutanese monarch arrived at the revered Triveni Sangam, where the holy Ganga, Yamuna and the Vedic Saraswati rivers converge. With profound respect, the king offered prayers and performed sacred rituals, fully immersed in the divine significance of the moment. His presence at the holy confluence underscores the global appeal of the Kumbh, highlighting its power to unite pilgrims from all walks of life and inspiring a deep sense of devotion from around the world. The event of Mahakumbh transcends caste, creed and differences as millions come together to take a holy dip at the Sangam, representing the true spirit of Ek Bharat Shreshtha Bharat.
संत महंत ऋषि मुनि ज्ञानी विद्वान सामान्य मानवी सब एक हो जाते हैं, सब एक साथ त्रिवेणी में डुबकी लगाते हैं। यहाँ जातियों का भेद खत्म हो जाता है, संप्रदायों का टकराव मिट जाता है, करोड़ों लोग एक थे, एक विचार से जुड़ जाते हैं।
The entire world is watching the Mahakumbh Mela with a sense of awe and curiosity as this ancient spiritual gathering continues to captivate global attention. Recently, a distinguished foreign delegation comprising diplomats and heads of missions from numerous countries took a sacred dip at the Triveni Sangam and shared their joy and reverence for this auspicious occasion.
When I think of India, I think of it as a place where humanity first came to light, and also if we think about the confluence of rivers and seas, it's a place where there's spirit in the landscape. Great to be here today.
The experience is phenomenal. It's a once in a lifetime experience. As you know, the Zimbabwean ambassador to India, India and Zimbabwe share excellent bilateral relations, and part of our diplomatic life is also to pursue cultural, or what we call public diplomacy, and this is public diplomacy. This is cultural diplomacy, where we seek to understand the Indian country deeply. And I must say that we have enjoyed so much great hospitality, and we remain grateful to the Uttar Pradesh state for hosting us.
Foreign saints and devotees from across the globe are joyfully offering their presence at the Triveni Sangam during the Mahakumbh Mela, contributing to a vibrant and spiritually charged atmosphere. Their participation adds a global dimension to this ancient event, turning the Mela into an extraordinary gathering of people united by a common quest for inner peace and spiritual enlightenment.
ये भारतीय संस्कृति की शक्ति है। ये भारतीय संस्कृति की ग्रेटनेस है। अब देखो इतने लोग, हर तरफ लोग किसके लिए आ रहे हैं? कोई रॉक कॉन्सर्ट नहीं है, कोई स्पोर्टिंग इवेंट नहीं है, बाकी पूरा विश्व में लोग भीड़ में इकट्ठे किसके लिए? स्पोर्टिंग इवेंट या रॉक कॉन्सर्ट या कोई लॉटरी हो। यहाँ केवल अपनी दिल का, आत्मा का लॉटरी खुलता है।
You can't even explain it. I've been now, this is my third one. I went in 2010 to Hardwar, 2013 here, and now again, and all of the craziness and things are changing, but beneath all of that is just something that doesn't change.
The Mahakumbh Mela serves as a reminder that despite our differences, we are all bound by the same universal longing for peace, harmony, and connection to something greater than ourselves. It is here at this sacred confluence that the world truly becomes one.